Machinery and Equipment Shanghai Company Limited is a package equipment solution provider in Shanghai, China, especially for construction machinery, heavy industrial equipment, and vehicle. We represent quality China machinery brands and also export famous international brands around the world. We're always committed to offer our customers quality products with reliable performance, competitive price, and comprehensive services to ensure every engineering project to be run smoothly on schedule. With over 10 years experience in the field of engineering industry and a company to fulfill strictly industrial standard, RE/MAG had established and have been consistently keeping long-term business relationship with many general contractors, civil engineering firms, and construction companies throughout the world. We participated as package equipment provider previously include construction projects in Africa, civil projects in Middle East, dredging projects in South America, building projects in Oceania, road projects in Southeast Asia, and we're still achieving more and more projects at present. To provide reliable products with quick delivery time, to make prompt reaction for spare parts and after-sale services, to visit the user's field regularly for local training and maintenance. RE/MAG has been often praised by our customers and has taken great reputation as a trustworthy project partner. RE/MAG believe in combining our own achievement together with our customer benefits. Open communication, effective planning, and elaborative preparation always commit us to execute and deliver our promises for our customers all over the world.